Big news coming in from Pune in the killer Porsche crash incident. There's been an update. Juvenile's grandfather, Surendra Agarwal, has been arrested by the Pune police. This is a big update after the father and the minor driver, who's the prime accused, were taken into custody. Why is the grandfather also been arrested in this case, along with the son? And there appears to be an intimidation charge against him. Intimidation on the driver. Were they trying to shift blame using their money power, muscle power, trying to save the minor age driver to pin the blame on someone else? I want to immediately go across to our colleagues on the ground as well, because this is a big news coming in. Divyesh Singh is joining me, who's tracking all the latest. Divyesh, the driver of the family, who appeared to be in no way involved in the incident, was also questioned. Why has the grandfather now been arrested? This is big.
Well, this is the third FIR that has been registered in this case. And as per the FIR, we've just got details regarding the FIR, which clearly states that the driver, Mr. Gangaram, he was kidnapped, he was abducted, and then taken to the bungalow of Mr. Vishal Agarwal in Brahma, Sun City. There, he was beaten up, he was assaulted and threatened that the accident that has happened, that has been caused by the 17-year-old grandson of Surendra Agarwal, the driver was threatened that he has to take the blame on himself, go to the police station and tell them that you were the one who was driving the car and not the 17-year-old. This is the complaint that has been registered, and on basis of that now, Pune Crime Branch has arrested Surendra Agarwal at 3 a.m. this morning.
Absolutely shocking. Is there an attempt to bring in and frame it on the driver of the family? While the minor age driver, according to most eyewitness accounts, and more have said that it was the minor age driver who was on the wheels that led to the loss of 2 IT engineers in Pune. And there's been a massive uproar and backlash in this case. Divyesh, thank you very much for now. If there's one incident that India today has refused to let go of, it is about relentlessly covering this deadly horror. A luxury Porsche car that was being driven by a minor age driver. It led to the loss of life of 2 young men and women, IT engineers, but that wasn't enough. It appeared that the family of the accused were using money power, muscle power to intimidate others in trying to ensure that the minor age driver gets bail. 2 Pune cops have now been suspended for not informing the seniors about the crash in time. Accused minor's father's judicial custody has also been extended by 14 days because he wasn't supposed to be giving the keys of the vehicle to the minor age driver. All the 6 accused in this deadly crash have been sent to judicial custody till the June of 7. But cops also, remember, exposed Agarwal's family bid to frame their family driver. Investigation has revealed that it was the minor age driver, the boy who was driving, who was on the wheels of the Porsche car, but the family tried to get him out and pin it on the family driver. You're looking at how the eyewitnesses had beaten him after the incident. There are allegations that he was intoxicated as well. Protests have broken out against using that muscle power.
जो दुखद घटना हुई है पुणे में, तो इसका समर्थन कोई भी ना करे. मतलब जो आप देख सकते हो, पुलिस स्टेशन में एक आरोपी को पिज्जा बर्गर खिलाया जा रहा है. उससे दुखद क्या हो सकता है? तो हम जैसे युवा आगे बढ़कर कायदा और व्यवस्था जो गलत जा रही है, उसके खिलाफ इधर आकर सामाजिक रीत्या सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये सब गलत हो रहा है और हमें जो भारत चाहिए या हमें जो सोसाइटी चाहिए वो कोई कुछ और है. अभी जो हो रहा है वो हमें नहीं चाहिए.
अभी जिस तरीके से ये कानून इनके लिए इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, उसमें कोई मतलब लोगों को लग रहा है कि कुछ भी करो, इससे निकलना बहुत ही आसान बात है. किसी की जान भी ले लो तो बहुत ही आसान हो चुका है लोगों को निकलना. डर ही नहीं रहा है किसी के मन में. खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हर किसी ने जाननी चाहिए. जैसे पुलिस के लिए भी बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, पेरेंट्स के लिए भी मैं बोलूंगी. खुद एक पेरेंट हूँ,